the oil bonds. The total payment towards repaying the oil bonds, sir, and the interest between 2014 to 22 amounted for 93,685.68 crores. That is 13,500 crore as principal amount and the rest as interest. Sir, here I would like to say the taxpayers of today, honorable members, through the chairman, I request, please pay attention to this fact. The taxpayers of today are paying for the subsidy dished out to consumers more than a decade ago by the UPA government, and they will continue to pay for the next 5 years as the redemption of the bond continues until 2026. What I want to draw your attention, Honorable Speaker, sir, is even former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, in an address to the nation on June 4th, 2008, said, however, I quote, however, I would like the nation to remember that issuing bonds and loading deficits on oil companies is not a permanent solution to this problem. We are only passing our burden to our children who will have to repay this debt, unquote. Dr. Manmohan Singh ने ही माना कि ऑयल बॉन्ड्स प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व नहीं करता और सब्सिडी कस्टमर को वो नहीं दे रहे हैं, ऑयल बॉन्ड्स के ऊपर ऑयल कंपनी के ऊपर दबा दिया वो सब बोझ और फ्यूचर आने वाले जनरेशन के ऊपर वो बोझ पड़ेगा, ये विषय डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने कहा। और जब हम कहते हैं कि आज तक उनका भरपाई हम कर रहे हैं, इनको समझ में आना चाहिए कि ऑयल प्राइस सब्सिडी इन्होंने उठाया नहीं, मगर पॉलिटिकली उसका फायदा उठाने के लिए कोशिश किया, वो जो गलत था हम आज तक उसको भरपाई कर रहे हैं। And this speech, sir, of Dr. Manmohan Singh was after the bond issue was made. So I want that to be brought into the records. And finally, sir, there was also enough concern being expressed by members on inflation. I want to underline the fact that more than 5 full years, the UPA government run their government with double-digit inflation, and they didn't do anything about it. And today, even when inflation is contained well within 6%, which is a permitted limit, they seem to be talking about price rise. Yes, we will know that for edible oil and things like that, we are taking measures through the EGOM, which is empowered GOM for taking care of essential goods. We will attend to the problem of oil price, edible oil price, and also some of the essential edible items.